Welcome to my channel. Having trouble setting up your Netgear Orbi RBS760 AX5400 router? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install and sync your Orbi router using both the web browser method and the WPS method. Let's get your Wi-Fi running smoothly. Method 1. Setup using web browser, manual setup. Step 1. Unbox and connect. Plug your Orbi RBS760 router into a power outlet. Connect it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Wait for the power LED to turn solid white, blue. Step 2. Connect to device Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, connect to device Wi-Fi. Details on the router, password is printed on the router label. Step 3. Open Orbi setup page. Open a browser and type http://orbilogin.com. Step 4. Start Setup Wizard. Create a router admin password. Follow the on-screen steps to detect the internet connection. Configure Wi-Fi name and password. Check firmware updates. Step 5. Complete installation. Wait for Wi-Fi to restart. Reconnect using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Method 2. Setup using WPS, fast method. Step 1. Place and power on. Plug in your Orbi RBS760 router. Wait for solid white, blue LED. Step 2. Start WPS on router and modem, gateway. Press and hold the WPS button on your Orbi router for 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your modem, gateway, or Orbi satellite. Step 3. Wait for sync. Solid blue successful connection. Amber weak signal. Magenta no connection. Try moving closer. Your Netgear Orbi RBS760 AX5400 router is now successfully set up. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.